I'm KOCO 5 meteorologist Michael Armstrong with your updated timeline. Another wave of rain and thunderstorms moving back in. I know we had a dry weekend, but here we go again. So here's 1 o'clock this afternoon. A wave of rain, maybe some embedded thunderstorms in that complex as well. Right now it looks like the severe weather threat is going to be quite low. Could be one or two severe storms across southwestern Oklahoma with a marginal hail, up to quarter-size hail, and wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. You see that complex starts to make a little more progress to the northeast around 3 p.m. By 5 o'clock, becomes a little more isolated in nature, but really not a huge increase in widespread rain. That's going to come later tonight into tomorrow morning. Look what happens by 3 a.m. here across southwestern Oklahoma, Hobart, Lawton, Altus. We'll see the flash flood risk go up fairly quickly even during the morning hours tomorrow. Look at the wave, how it moves in to central Oklahoma by 7 a.m. all the way over toward Seminole. Heavy rain and thunderstorms, Altus and Hobart, as well as down toward Lawton to start out Tuesday. And areas that have picked up 9 inches of rain, for instance, down near Walter, south of Lawton. This is not good news. This is more heavy rain on top of that. 1 to 2 inches of rain will be possible in many areas, and that rain continues through lunchtime. There's 12:30 tomorrow afternoon, and then finally a lot of it will let up during the late afternoon hours. But look what happens out in western Oklahoma. More heavy thunderstorms flaring up. So we'll have more chances Tuesday night going into Wednesday. So multiple rounds headed our way. As a result, we are going to have that flash flood risk. Let's talk about the severe weather risk first. There's the 1 out of 5. So Elk City, Altus, Hobart, down toward Hollis. Yeah, Mangum, you guys could have some isolated quarter-size hail or wind gusts to 60 tomorrow. About the same intensity, so not real high intensity type of severe weather, but the risk area expands a little bit more from McAllister up toward Norman and out toward Clinton and Elk City and everywhere to the south of that line. And then there's the flood risk, and it includes much more of Oklahoma, all of northern, northwestern, western, central, and southern parts of Oklahoma, and even southeastern Oklahoma as well. So that is includes, again, much of tonight and pretty much all of tomorrow. So when it's all said and done for tonight going into Tuesday, 1 to 2 inches of rain here, fairly widespread across the western half of Oklahoma. The eastern half, a little less. Now, I don't think probably very many areas are going to end up with a goose egg on this one. You'll get some rain, but I think the bulk of the rain will fall in the western half of the state. And then we'll see if we end up having more storms and more rainfall as we go into Wednesday and Thursday. So we'll just have to be on flood watch, I think, for a good part of the week.